Hey guys, I just wanted to do a quick review of my 2020 Toyota Tundra. I've had it for 3 years now, and I like it overall. To the point, I was just going to point out what I think are the two main flaws with this truck. One is that it gets a lot of bed bounce, especially when you're on the highway and you're driving and there's those little cracks, or basically slates in the highway every 10 yards or so. It creates a scenario where the bed starts to bounce a lot. It makes a rough ride. So that'd be my number one flaw. And then my second flaw, I think, is I just don't like how the engine sounds, especially right at startup. It sounds like there's almost like a turbo there. There's a really high shrill when you accelerate. Let me know. I haven't seen a lot online about that, but I've ridden in a lot of Tundras now, and I know that's how they sound. And that sound goes away after 10 to 20 minutes. But that's all I've got. Thanks for watching, guys. Just wanted to do a quick review, see if you guys are having either of those issues. And go ahead and comment below if you are. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. And I'll catch you all next time.